Making crystal effects is easier than you might think, especially with this formula that I'm going to be showing you today. We are going to start with the color based, and this one is any that you might prefer, but it has to be base coat paint only. It cannot be anything else. Then we're going to sand it with a 320 grit sandpaper in one direction preferably. And this is the formula that I'm gonna be using. If you want to use this formula, you can use it by hand or you can use it with a sprayer. The link will be on the description of this video to get this formula. Subscribe and like. This is a powerful formula elaborated to achieve longer crystallizations. This is not the cheapest one that most people do using just water, urea and soap. This is something at another level. With this formula, you can get crystallizations like the one that we are doing today, regardless the weather. If it is cold, if it is hot, it doesn't matter. This formula is especially designed to achieve the best crystallizations ever. After having the area completely wet, we are going to wait a little bit until it starts to dry. Just at the moment, you're going to start pinching in some areas where you want the crystal to start forming the new crystals. This is the way that you can achieve any patterns that you like. There is no right or wrong on this step. It's all about your imagination. At this time, you might see some crystallizations that is already started forming, and this process takes some time, so you have to be patient. If you pay close attention to this video right now, you will see the crystal that we already have on this panel. Now for the next step, subscribe and like. This is what we are going to be doing. Now from some distance you are going to apply black paint and make sure you cover the entire area with black paint. Let it dry and then you will be able to proceed to the next step. Important, you are going to set the black paint 3:1 ratio. 1 for the paint, 3 for the thinner or reducer. Now we're going to start revealing the crystals, and in order to do that we are going to be using a wet sanding, and this is going to be a 320 grit. We are going to be doing it soft. You don't want to take away the crystals, you just want to kind of clean up that black paint to reveal the crystal effect underneath. If you apply too much force, you are gonna take away that crystals, and you don't want to do that. What you can do is go soft, and then if you need to go a little bit over again, it's better than just removing the whole effect. Now take a look at this crystal formation, guys. This is something unique. You cannot achieve this with any regular formula homemade that you can do with water, urea and soap. This is the next level. Look at how long these crystals are, how beautiful this formation is. And you can only achieve this with the formula that we have already linked in the description of this video. But let me tell you something, this does not end up here. Now as an optional step, you can do candy paint. The candy paint will bring this more to life. This is something optional that you can do, or you can go straight to clear. Now take a look at this crystal formation, guys. This is amazing. This is the best that you will see out there. Let me know in the comments. I would like to hear from you. What are your thoughts? If you like this type of content, make sure to stick around, because I'm going to be uploading some more useful videos and sharing some useful tips that you cannot miss.